CSX challenge invoking functions. Examine the code given to you. Try to make the calls variable equal to Jerry, Kramer, George line with only a single invocation to the function Jerry. So at line 1, we declared a variable, global variable calls, and we gave it an empty string value. And line 3, they have a function definition Jerry string, and another function definition, and line 22 we reassign the value of a calls to be a invocation of a Jerry with a calls is parameter, and the calls will be the empty string. So what we need to do is we need to invoke the function Jerry with a empty string parameter, and the function Jerry will concat the parameter with string Jerry, and it will need to invoke the next function that will add another strings. So inside the function Jerry, what we need to do is I am going to reassign the variable. So inside the function Jerry, I'm gonna define this parameter first. So the string right now is just empty string, and I am going to reassign the string to be the concatenated string with Jerry. So here I'm going to reassign which the string is a string plus Jerry, and next I am going to invoke the next function to add more strings. So I'm going to return the function, what is it? Kramer with a string as parameter, but in here the parameter for string is in the invocation of Kramer is the reassign value of string, which is the empty string plus Jerry, which can be just Jerry. Right. And since we are invoking the function Kramer, let's go write within the code block of a Kramer. So inside here, I am going to define the parameter first. The string right now is it's not an empty string; it's just empty string again plus Jerry, which is just Jerry. Here inside, I am going to reassign the parameter again. It's going to be a string will be the concatenated version of a Kramer. Again, we invoke the function, next function, which is George with the parameter. So in this in this function George, the parameter will be, now since it has been reassigned, it's gonna be Jerry and Kramer. So we are invoking function George, so let's go to function George. Same thing here. Reassign the string will be the concatenated version of what we George invoke return what's next? Eline the string. So here the string now is Jerry, Kramer, George. So inline, same thing, reassign. String now is we add inline as well, and lastly we just return string because we don't have any more no mas strings. So here the string now is Jerry, Kramer, George, Eli. Yeah. So let's invoke this. Since we declare the calls, I'm just gonna console log calls to check how it works. Yep.